Today we're making snickerdoodles. The recipe calls for 1 cup of Crisco and 1.5 cups of sugar. Mix till creamy. And we need 2 eggs. Now pour 2 eggs. In a large mixing bowl, mix 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now mixing the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now we're going to chill it. We're just going to put it in the garage because it's really cold. After letting the dough chill, we scoop it out with the cookie scoop. We put in the cinnamon sugar that's got pre-made, and we get them on the sheet, and we smash them with the smashing thing, I guess. There's the cookie. Now bake them at 400 degrees to 8 to 10 minutes.